And as promised, let me show you the inside of this stunning house. The right hand side then of the entrance, we come through into a spacious lounge, and you can see we have the latest inverter air conditioning units. There is gas central heating throughout the house, and the owners have put all the latest smart technology using Alexa for all the lights, and also we have Sonos sound system throughout. Through here to a very large TV, and through to the rest of the house. On my left here, we go upstairs to the 3 bedrooms. We have the guest toilet with a nice little bit of bling bling there on the handle. Through then to the dining area. Huge space here. First of all, the dining table and the chairs, leading onto this stunning bespoke Italian kitchen with integrated appliances. We have the fridge, we have the cooker, we have the microwave, washing machine, dishwasher, and also the hob here at the breakfast bar. Across from me, we have an inside seating area, and then throughout onto this elevated terrace with views down to the garden, the pool area, and the surrounding villages. What a perfect place to sit and relax. You can see that the current owners have fully renovated this house. The stairs, the walls, every single light fitting, all the ceilings are dropped with all your spotlights, and it brings you out onto this lovely and very spacious landing area. Let me take you to bedroom 2 first, which is over here on my right. Again, a great size bedroom, and we have views to the local mountains then, fitted wardrobes, air conditioned, just about everything you need. The family bathroom is something special. We have a jacuzzi bath, double sinks, and a walk-in shower with the rainfall shower head. And just let me point out here, we have access into the roof, which is a great storage space for the Christmas trees, for the suitcases, and for all the boxes. Through then into bedroom number 3. You can see that the current owners have lovingly renovated the whole property, from the tiles, the windows, the fitted wardrobes, everything. And finally then, we're going to lead through into the master bedroom. The master bedroom benefits from a veranda which takes in the views over the village and the pool and the garden area. So here we are then in the master bedroom. Again, you have the fully fitted wardrobes, great space, and a very lovely ensuite. Loads of granite, and a great place to have a shower. Just let me take you now out onto the veranda so you can see the views. There you go. Always important, the fly screens in Cyprus. And here onto the upper terrace, which gives you the panoramic view of the village. And from here then, you've got a great seating area, which you can look around and see. If you're interested in this house, please leave a comment below, or give us a call, or contact us through the details at the bottom of this video. Hopefully, I'll see you in Cyprus very soon. Thank you.